Welcome to Easy Peasy Kitchen. In today's video, we will see how to make easy Pudhina Chutney the hotel style. The ingredients are 2 bunches of mint leaves or pudina leaves, 1 chopped tomato, 1 cup of grated coconut, 2 tablespoons of chana dal, 4 green chilies, 4 red chilies and 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, ginger oil for frying. Now you can reduce your spice according to your taste. I am adding 4 teaspoons of ginger oil to a heated kadai. I am adding 2 tablespoons of chana dal to the heated oil and keep stirring it and fry till it turns golden brown. Now fry the red chilies and the coriander seeds along with the chana dal. Add green chilies to the same oil and fry it till the skin turns slightly white. Now transfer the fried green chilies to the bowl that contains the chana dal and chilies. Adding the tomatoes, adding little salt and fry it till it turns mushy. Now add the mint leaves to it and mix it well and fry for 3 minutes. Adding the grated coconut to it, giving it a stir and switching off the stove. Now transfer the fried ingredients to a mixer jar along with a small quantity of tamarind which enhances the taste. So I am adding it, but it is optional. Now grind that well. If needed, add some water and grind it to the required consistency. Look at the color of the chutney, it has retained the green color. Now it tastes even more better if it is tempered. Now for the tempering, we need ginger oil, mustard and urad dal and asafoetida powder. Heat some oil, add the mustard and urad dal, let it splutter. Add the asafoetida powder and put off the flame. Look at that, it is very delicious and it is a very good combination for curd rice, dosa, chapati Please try it out and let us know. I'm going to enjoy it with a crispy dosa and a cup of tea. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.